Yes, student. Today we will do another activity. How can we obtain pure copper sulfate from an impure sample? The technique is crystallization. What are the apparatus required for this technique crystallization? China dish, beaker, a glass rod, burner, filter paper, tripod stand. Material required is impure sample of copper sulfate and water. Procedure steps I am explaining beta. Step 1, what we will do. Now here are the procedure steps. Step 1, what we will do. We will take impure copper sulfate sample in a China dish and add some water. Water is a solvent, we will add in it. Stir it with glass rod. Step 2 is the solution is heated to evaporate most of the solvent, and most of the solvent is water here. So we will supply heat to the impure sample of copper sulfate which is dissolved in water. Water will evaporate and it will take away the impurities also. Step 3 is the hot solution is allowed to cool slowly for a day. Cover it with a filter paper. So keep the China dish for cooling for a day but cover it with a filter paper, and crystals of copper sulfate will be start forming. Step 4. Next day what we will do, we will take the pure crystals of copper sulfate and dry them between the folds of filter paper. In this way, pure crystals of copper sulfate are formed. Now what is this crystallization process? It is a process that separates pure crystals from impure sample. Pure crystals of copper sulfate we have obtained from impure crystals of copper sulfate. It is a better technique than evaporation. There are two reasons why we considered crystallization method better than evaporation. First one is some solids decompose on heating, or some like sugar, it may get charred means सड़ जाएगी, to dryness on heating. So that is why to get pure samples of sugar we apply crystallization method. Second is some impurities, they may remain in dissolved solution even after filtration. So on evaporation they contaminate the solid. They contaminate means उस सॉलिड को दोबारा उसमें फिर वही इम्प्योरिटीज आ जाएंगी, इसलिए वो प्योर सैंपल नहीं होगा. Now where this crystallization method is applied, it is applied for the purification of salt that we get from sea water. We all know that we get common salt, that is sodium chloride, from sea water, but that is impure sample and we make it pure by crystallization method. Second is crystals of alum or फिटकरी, जिसको हिंदी में फिटकरी कहते हैं, they are also formed by crystallization method. I will show you crystals of alum. These are crystals of alum. हिंदी में इसको फिटकरी बोलते हैं, और फिटकरी के जो क्रिस्टल्स हैं, आल्म के जो क्रिस्टल्स हैं, वो क्रिस्टलाइजेशन मेथड से ही बनाए जाते हैं. थैंक यू.